Okay, let's talk about a tough but really important topic.
How do you pick just one photo? Often, our favorite snapshots aren't quite right.
Photos can be old, damaged, or even group shots. That's a real challenge.
This is where memorial photo retouching comes in. It's a game changer.
So let's take a look at how this all works, shall we?
The before and after is pretty amazing. Look at this transformation. They can fix hairstyles, change clothes, pretty much anything to get it right.
And what about the cost? Well, it's super clear and straightforward.
Okay, so how do you actually get this done? It's simpler than you think.
You've got 3 easy options depending on what you need. It's super flexible.
So why should you trust them? Well, their track record kind of speaks for itself.
They've been doing this professionally since back in 2014.
And get this, they've already completed around 60,000 orders. Wow.
Plus, they have regular customers in 10 different countries. That's a huge vote of confidence.
And here's what they promise: quick turnarounds, fair prices, and free revisions.
Really, it's all about making a tough time just a little bit easier for families.
So the real question is, how will you choose to honor that special memory?